Alright guys, so we're coming up to the parking spot. I'm gonna take one of these right here. Easy trial. Alright, so it's already started reading. Let's see how good this thing does. Alright, let me press the start button. Here we go. See if it can do it. Give you one chance. Not bad. It's on the line. Yeah. I think it's going to take another go at it. It wants to be perfect. One more shot. Yeah. It's kind of stupid. It takes a minute to park if it messes up. But it's going to do it. Did it perfectly too. Like, dead on. Love that. Yeah, keep practicing.